Hey parents, I'm going to go over a couple commonly asked questions during conferences. I have also answered these questions on this website I made that I will send out to you as well. Homework. Every night students should be reading somehow. I'm not going to say read 20 minutes a night because I know things get busy and things happen. Instead, what I'm saying is we have a 40 book goal for each student this year. Each student has a goal to read 40 different chapter books this year. That's about a book a week. So any reading they do at home is going to help them with their goal. Something else to do at home every night is math facts. They should have these little flashcards. They're different colors. These flashcards help practice multiplication and division facts, which are so important in 4th grade. Most of 4th grade math cannot be done well without having these memorized. Students will use so much of the brain trying to figure out what 7 times 6 is, and then they'll have to use that to answer something else. Whereas if you know, 7 times 6? 7 times 4? 7 times 2? When you have them that fast, you have more brain power to do math. So they take home these flashcards about 10 minutes a night. If you do this, you will pass numbers. Every Friday we do a little half sheet test. If you pass both sides, you move on to the next number. Each number stands for a ice cream scoop or a topping that we do have during our ice cream parties throughout the year. We'll have 2 or 3 times in the year where we'll say, all right, how many math facts do you have? And there have been years where I have had given just a bowl or just a spoon to kids because they did not have many math facts. They didn't try to practice them. But the next time we had it, they surprisingly had a lot more. If you're practicing every night for at least 10 minutes, I promise your kids will pass numbers. I've seen it happen every single year. Even kids are like, I hate math, I can't do math, I'm not smart in math. If you practice 10 minutes a night and really practice, you will pass these numbers easily. Another way to help practice is this math app we have this year called Reflex. It is a app that I have through a grant right now, so we're going to use it. It uses language like, get your green light. Did you get your green light? That simply just means that you've answered enough math facts correctly that the top of your screen will fill in with this little green wall. I give them time to do that at school, after breakfast and after lunch. And if they don't get it by then, they should do it at home. I have most kids get the green light done before school even starts. After they eat breakfast, they get everything else ready and make sure their iPad's good to go, and then they have the green light. Speaking of iPads, we take them home every day, or they have the option to take them home every day this year. 2 reasons for that. 1, so they can do the specials assignment at home because we don't have enough time for specials during the day. We only have 15 minutes instead of 45. And 2, if someone's sick, or if they have to quarantine, or if we have a snow day, or if we have bad weather, or if we have to shut down again, they already have their iPad and they can learn at home. Now, I know we're dealing with 9, 10, 11-year-olds, and I know they don't always remember things. So please help them remember to plug in their iPads so they're ready to go the next day. Maybe they put the charger next to their backpack and they put the iPad in the backpack plugged in so they know they won't forget it. Just please make sure they come back every day and they're charged. It's been much better recently, but if they don't have their iPad, we don't spend them all day on the iPads, but we use them a lot. So if they don't have it, it's really difficult to do the work we're doing because I'm trying to do as much as I can. So if someone's not here, they can still do it at home, which means we need our iPads at school as well. The way we do our work is on this website called Canvas. Super powerful stuff. You should have access to it. If you don't, or if you're not sure, you can contact central office and they can help you out. The number is on this website. The big thing you need to know is if someone is at home, they just need to tap the Learning at Home button. It's right here. And then it tells them what they should do every day, as well as when they can get on Zoom. On Zoom, I try to do all my whole group stuff so they can also watch and follow along. All they have to do is tap this button, and then it takes them right into that. If they're ever stuck on things or not remembering how to do something, this help button should cover most everything they would need. So yeah, this is just an example of what it looks like we have every day. And then you can see what our objectives are, what we're trying to do, how they're going to know it. And then in this case, we did this one paper pencil. So yeah, that's how we use Canvas. And you're welcome to follow along with that as well. Yeah, speaking of following along, if you are not on my Facebook page, please join it. I send out updates on this. I like to send out pictures on this. It's easiest to send messages to everybody this way. Please join this if you have not. If you need help doing this, please let me know. You can tap here or tap there. Please let me know if you need help. I would like everybody to be in because it's the easiest way to communicate with everybody. I also try to do newsletters, just outlining some of the big things we're doing. I post those on Facebook as well. Grades. Now, even if you've been in Goshen schools for a while, this 1, 2, 3, 4 stuff can seem kind of weird, so let me help explain it. The 3 is what we want. The 3 is the goal or the target for right now. So if we're getting ready to start 2-digit times 2-digit multiplication, if a student can do 43 times 72, that would be a 3. That's exactly what I want right now. Now let's pretend another student can do that and is able to go farther. They can do more than what I need right now. Let's say they can do 3-digit times 2. They can do 143 times 72. That's not what I need right now. So they would be a 4. They can go above and do more than what I need them to do right now. 2 would be, I remember kind of how to do it. I just mix up the pieces. And then 1 would be, I don't know what to do next. I don't know what to do next. I need help with every single step. So the report card will look something like that. If you have a 1.5, it means it wasn't quite a 1, but it wasn't quite a 2. Same thing with 3.5 or 2.5. If it's blank, it means we didn't cover it yet, but we will eventually. Right now, 2s and 3s are good. They're okay. 3 is great. 2 is okay. 1s right now mean we need to start coming up with another plan. Maybe we need to have another meeting. Maybe we need to talk. Something. And 4s are great. So if you have any questions, please let me know. This is just a really quick overview, but hopefully it answers a lot of the questions you may have.